Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here, and today I'm going to do image transfer on a glass bottle. Yes, I'm super excited for this, and this is one of the big bottle which I had, and I have been planning this since long. Let me see if I can do this. I just thought that I will not keep these very pointed. No particular reason. I just wanted to make it a little more easier for me to work, and I'm just going to check the size if it sticks well. I'll do it on this side because in the front there was some embellishment there, so I don't want to do it there. Let me trim this down. I don't know, I'm just trimming down because I want to have it in a little smaller space. So let's see. So my table is really clean. Please ignore that because I've been working back to back now because there was a huge gap because of COVID-19, and yeah. So here today I have planned to use acrylic matte medium. I'm sharing the link down in the description box, and I have planned that I'm going to use this. And first I'll apply a good coat of matte medium on my picture. Now I've taken this print at home with my regular printer on a regular like a bit thicker paper, and I really hope that works out well. Now this is one of the very important steps, that you have to stick your photograph really well. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm pressing it well from all the corners and the inches so that it sticks well to my base. And I also need to make sure that there are no wrinkles or bubbles out there, as my paper is quite thick, so there are very low chances of having wrinkles, but bubbles, yes. So I'm just pressing it really well. Yeah, so can you see the picture from this side? This looks good. This looks really good. Now, as I'm happy with the way I have pressed it, now I'm going to keep it to dry for complete 24 hours, and then we will be back. Okay guys, so it's day 2 and my bottle has dried out completely. The picture has dried out completely, and now it's time to remove it, and I'm super excited and fingers crossed. I really hope that it comes out well. Now with my brush, I'm just covering it with a layer of water, and I just want to make sure that it comes out nicely. Let's see. Now with very gently with my finger, I'm going to rub it. Let's see. Now my paper was really thick, so that is one of my concern, that it should not happen that the complete thing comes out. And yeah, I can see the picture, or like the backing paper of my picture coming out. And one thing, that the paper is absorbing too much of water because it is a thick paper. It is not the regular 80 GSM paper. This must be somewhere around 150 GSM paper, and I think because of that it's absorbing too much of paper. Now this step is really crucial. You have to be really careful when you are peeling this off, because any excessive peeling means you are going to take out your photo completely, which definitely we don't want. And make sure when you are doing this step, you are using a clean tap water. Don't use your any dirty water or anything. and be a little careful and patient, although I'm losing my patience right now because I just want to see that how it is turning out.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
Is done. I'm not very happy with this because I could see that some of the areas I actually lost my patience and it didn't came out that good. Like Vanya's face has not come out that well, but it was a good attempt for me for sure. And of course I'm going to try this again. But now if I have already done work on this one, I would love to use this as a token of memory that I did it on a glass bottle, and this is how it turned out. So yes, I'm going to put up some really nice lights inside this, and I'm going to use this. And if you want, like, I'm going to just leave it as it is, the rustic and the shabby it looks, so that it gives a very nice and natural look. And yes, of course, I am listing down the supplies link down below. Do check that, and don't lose your patience whenever you are doing your image transfer. Do remember, friends, that please don't lose your patience at all, and definitely this is going to work out. So with this, thank you so much for watching. Take care, friends. Bye bye.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur a sculpté de son